Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some breaking news that has everyone talking. It's about Diddy, one of the biggest names in entertainment and business. Now, you might be wondering, why is Diddy making headlines again? Well, it turns out that despite some serious legal issues he's facing, Diddy could still vote in the upcoming presidential election. That's right, this man, who has been caught up in some major legal drama, still has the right to cast his vote in one of the most important elections of our time. But what does this mean for Diddy and the rest of us? Stay tuned, because we're diving deep into all the details and what this could mean for the future. So, let's break this down. If you've been following Diddy's legal troubles lately, you know that his life has been far from smooth sailing. The music mogul has had his share of legal woes, but despite the drama, he still maintains a crucial right that's fundamental to every citizen in this country: the right to vote. You might be thinking, how is that even possible? Well, it turns out that even with legal battles hanging over his head, Diddy can still vote just like anyone else. Here's the thing. The US Constitution guarantees the right to vote to every citizen over the age of 18, as long as they're not currently incarcerated for facing legal restrictions that specifically bar them from voting. So even though Diddy has faced some major allegations and lawsuits, he's not been convicted of a felony, and he's not currently behind bars. This means he still has the legal right to participate in the upcoming election. But this news raises some important questions. How does this happen? How can a person like Diddy, who's facing some serious legal challenges, still enjoy the same rights as someone with a clean record? Well, the key here is understanding that the right to vote is not automatically revoked because of legal troubles, unless a person is serving time for certain criminal offenses. It's all about the specifics of the case. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about all the charges Diddy is facing? He's been accused of a lot recently, from business disputes to personal issues, and some of them are pretty serious. But the bottom line is, none of these charges have yet resulted in a criminal conviction. So, as far as the law is concerned, Diddy's still eligible to cast his vote in the presidential election. And that's a big deal because, as we know, every vote counts, especially in an election as crucial as this one. You might also be wondering how this could affect Diddy's public image. We all know he's an icon in the music industry and beyond, but with all the legal drama swirling around him, how will people view his vote? Will fans and the public think it's fair that someone with legal issues is still allowed to vote, or will they see it as a right that everyone, regardless of their situation, should have? It's a tricky question, but what's clear is that Diddy, like every other citizen, has the right to make his voice heard at the ballot box. But this isn't just about Diddy, it's about something bigger. It's a reminder of how important it is to understand our voting rights as citizens. Whether you're a famous celebrity or just an everyday person, your vote matters. And even if you find yourself in legal trouble, it's important to know that your right to vote isn't always automatically taken away, unless there's a criminal conviction involved. Diddy's situation sheds light on the fact that our system of voting is designed to give every citizen a chance to participate, no matter what challenges they may face. Now, here's another interesting twist. Diddy's legal issues have not just been limited to one area. There have been several different allegations against him over the years, but none of them have led to criminal charges. And that's the key here. It doesn't matter how many lawsuits or accusations someone faces, as long as they haven't been convicted of a serious crime that restricts their ability to vote. Diddy is a free man, and that means he can go to the polls just like anyone else. As we get closer to the election, this could become an even bigger topic of conversation. People may start asking questions like, should someone like Diddy, who has had his fair share of drama, be able to vote? It's a controversial topic, but the truth is, the US system is built on the idea of second chances, and as long as Diddy is not convicted of a felony, his vote remains his right to exercise. And let's not forget about the power of celebrity influence. Diddy has a massive platform, and with the election right around the corner, his vote could inspire millions of his fans to get out and vote as well. His influence could help mobilize younger voters, especially in this crucial election where every vote will count. The fact that Diddy can still vote despite his legal battles shows that no one is above the system, but also reminds us that everyone's voice matters. So here's the bottom line: Diddy can still vote in the presidential election, no matter what's going on in his personal life. And that's a big deal. It's a reminder of how powerful our voting rights are, and how important it is to stay informed about the laws that govern our ability to vote. As we head into the election, let's remember to use our voices wisely, because at the end of the day, it's not just about celebrities or famous figures like Diddy. It's about all of us making our voices heard. Diddy will likely make his choice, and so should you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to stay updated on all the latest news and controversies surrounding the election. Make sure you watch till the end to see more updates on this story and many others. See you next time.